If I look at the shape of developed economies, their fiscal deficits are bloating. For India, fiscal deficit is coming down. Are you surprised, or I would actually say shocked, that India's ratings have not been changed?
Not shocked, but I think that is the way the world works, ironically and sadly. These are things which we are constantly discussing with, let's say, the rating agencies, let's say the investor community. But it is going to be some time for, those institutions which have become the purveyors of countries and their financial health and the fiscal governance to be logical, to be data driven, and to be answerable. So it is going to be some time before the emerging markets can speak with confidence to those who are the purveyors, and they can be obstinate.
Just a fine print clarification, Madam Minister. The focus of this year's budget is digital, and in this budget, the ambit of angel tax has been extended to NRIs. How does this change in terms of valuation? Will it come under FEMA or will it come under IT Act?
No, I fully understand there is incongruity between the FEMA and the way in which we have implemented the taxation. One, first of all, it doesn't hurt the startups. They still enjoy the concessions given. We are trying to also bring parity between the domestic investor with the non-resident investor. But the difference between the FEMA and the income tax is more when income tax looks at ensuring equal or at par treatment, and FEMA looks at things which are beyond, the finance ministry's narrow taxation limitations or viewpoints, because FEMA also looks at how money gets, round-tripped, and to curtail it, it has one measure, which in principle we also agree. But that's the way it has played out. It is not to hurt anybody, and it doesn't certainly touch the startups with whom we've encouraged since 2016, a little by little a regime which helps them. But there is definitely enough anecdotal evidence to say how it can be gamed.